Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we've got something truly special, the Panasonic LUMIX GH7. Whether you're into photography or filmmaking, this hybrid camera promises to push the boundaries of what you can create. So sit tight as we dive into everything this beast of a camera has to offer, from its 26-megapixel sensor to 6K video recording. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Let's start with the build. The GH7 feels incredibly solid in hand, but it's surprisingly light, making it perfect for long shoots. The camera is weather-sealed, meaning you can take it out in challenging conditions, rain, dust, or even snow, and still get your perfect shot. But the real magic lies under the hood. The GH7 packs a 26-megapixel sensor that delivers stunning detail and color accuracy. Paired with the Venus Engine processor, it handles everything from sharp stills to 5.7K video at 60 FPS and 12-bit RAW recording. Whether you're a photographer or a videographer, this camera has the chops to handle both. And let's talk about video capabilities, one of the main reasons content creators are excited about the GH7. This camera shoots 6K anamorphic video, giving you the flexibility to crop and reframe in post-production without losing quality. Not to mention, it has unlimited recording time, making it ideal for longer projects like documentaries or interviews. The GH7 also excels in low light. Thanks to the dual native ISO, this camera performs incredibly well in dark environments. Whether you're shooting a concert, nighttime cityscape, or even a dimly lit indoor scene, the noise reduction is impressive. Stabilization is another feature worth mentioning. With 5-axis in-body image stabilization, IBIS, you can capture smooth, shake-free footage even when you're shooting handheld. No need for a gimbal. This is a lifesaver for run-and-gun filmmakers who need mobility without compromising quality. The GH7 also boasts impressive autofocus. Powered by AI, it tracks faces, eyes, and even animals with pinpoint accuracy. Whether your subject is moving fast or slow, you'll get a sharp, focused shot every time. Lastly, the connectivity is spot on. With dual SD card slots, USB-C, full-size HDMI, and built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, this camera fits seamlessly into any workflow. You can easily transfer files, control the camera remotely, or hook it up to external monitors. So, whether you're a pro filmmaker or a passionate photographer, the Panasonic LUMIX GH7 delivers on all fronts. Its powerful specs, advanced features, and solid design make it a versatile tool for any content creator. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below on what you think of the GH7. See you in the next video.